Yeah, at this moment we are tuned to Prestige Life, and we are treating the topic depression. In our society these days, things are really tough, and a lot of people are letting themselves being tied down, getting themselves depressed. Why they can move on, tell depression no, kick depression out of their face, and move on with life.
That's correct. That's correct.
That's good.
We're out here telling the people on the street that say no to depression, because depression is not a lane to go for anybody.
I just want to tell you something. Please, I just want to tell you, we are here on earth to act. We are just on a stage. When you finish acting, you leave the stage. You don't really need to kill yourself over anything. What's this thing about this depression?
This life is so sweet, to live just like that.
Life is so sweet to be depressed.
So damn sweet.
Enjoy yourself.
Life is so sweet to be depressed.
Enjoy yourself.
Please say no to depression.
Say no to depression.
No to depression.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
You're welcome to Prestige Life campaign against depression. So can you give us a little clue about what you know of this problem, depression?
Okay, I think it's a very serious thing, and from the little I've known about it and all that, seen some people and what I heard about people, I got to understand that it's a serious thing, and somehow it comes like an attack.
Yeah.
But my advice or my own contribution to fighting that will be that whoever anywhere in such situation, I want that person to know that the person can fight it. It's about your own personal determination.
Yes.
Your own decision. You can decide to move on or either give up, but giving up is not the issue. It's like, life is generally not as easy as anyone thinks. Everyone have one thing or the other bothering them.
Yes.
But you have to fight it. You can do it. You can defeat it. But when the attack comes, say no to it.
Yes.
There are certain things you need to do. Actually, it's a thing of torment, and it goes with fear and anxiety in a deep form, like locking someone's spirit in form of something that you can't even escape from it. But in a situation like that, you can still fight it. And I would like to also add with a Bible reference.
Okay.
That's Psalm 25. If you read Psalm 25, you will have to understand that even David too went through that at that point when he was writing the Psalm 25. Now when you read Psalm 25, it will help you, tell you how you have to fight something like depression. And like Bible says that we either live by fear or by faith.
Hello, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Please, can you give us a little brief about this depression issue disturbing our country at large?
Okay, first of all, depression has been a bottleneck actually in the society, and it has been affecting, I think, a lot of people in the useful age. But what I would love to say is that no matter the situation, I don't think anyone has to go through depression, because depression can lead people to committing suicide or doing a kind of thing that they are not meant to do. So I don't think entering depression is the best. If anyone feels he or she is depressed, you can look for someone to talk to, seek advice, and then you move on with your life, because they say when there's life, there is hope.
Welcome back. Like I said earlier, we'll be meeting up with medical personnel on this same issue about depression. So here is one of them. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Please, may we meet you?
Okay, I am a medical lab scientist, and my name is Mr. Maxwell.
Okay, Mr. Maxwell, please can you in few minutes give us a little breakdown, a little tips about depression?
Well, depression could be a state of mind, of a person who practically, I would say, had lost hope, probably in life, because of certain events that occurred in the person's, way of living. So, well, I know there are a whole lot of causes to depression, which could range from medical and then you go to psychology. Or for me, either of them. One, anybody that finds his or herself in such situation should be looking out for ways to snap out of that. Okay, so if it's medical, you seek medical attention, seek medical advices, and then when there are certain prescribed treatment for you, you follow suit. Because sometimes people will have appointment with their doctors, maybe go for this, go for that, and you find out the person, maybe due to money, maybe due to timing, or maybe due to lack of trust in the procedure or the process of getting him or her back to the saneness of mind, the person will be like, okay, no need. Sure, you get. Then if it's psychological, probably you need to reach out to people, probably go through the word of God that could strengthen you. So that'll be that.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. So people, you've heard it. Say no to depression. Welcome to Prestige Life campaign against depression. So I would like you to give me just few minutes of what depression is, what damage is causing to our society. Please, ma'am.
Okay, depression. Well, all I know is that right now in Nigeria, a lot of people are going through depression due to many reasons. Okay. The fact that economic situation is nothing to write home about right now, and a lot of things. But what I can say is that as you face depression, there are ways you can manage it. Okay, first of all is you can. That's why we have friends, we have family. You can talk to somebody. So at least if somebody encourages you, at least it helps to reduce it a bit. Secondly, like we are here now. Okay, exercising is equally helps, and socializing. As we exercise here, we make friends and all that. Okay, it helps to bring down whatever it is that causes the depression. Okay, that's all I can say.
So much, ma. Please, sir.
She has said all. Depression is about vices, so many factors. The economy, the environment, the uncertainty of the country. And ways to come about it, so many factors, hanging with good friends that are meaningful, friends that are positive, friends that will encourage you, friends that will talk you over it. It's a lot of vices, a lot of things that can happen. Your environment, your family, your friends, they can put you into depression if you don't know what you are doing. But all I know, in all, you can come out of it. That's the truth. You can come out of it. Some people don't. The family problem, social problem, economic problem. But I know if you talk it over with somebody, I believe that you can come out of it. That's my belief.
Okay, say no to depression, guys.
Depression, just like our coach just said, is just psychology disorder. You get it? And there are many ways, many factors for you to overcome it. You can as well listen to good music, go to the beach, trying to play and see the nature, and if you are a kind of person that live in a house that is spacious, you understand, maybe in the balcony, you can as well stay there and receive more fresh air. Meditate. You understand? You can also read inspirational book, you understand? Listen to some inspirators, mentors for you to get healed along the way. And if you are somebody that know how to pray, you can pray along, you can call your friends, somebody that is so there with you to pray along with you. So there are many ways in which you can, overcome or get solved about this depression.
Okay, I can say in a few minutes, I will say depression. Depression is a kind of thing, if you don't control it, it will kill you. It's a silent killer. Because I know that depression, when you, as a human being, you stay on, maybe you're having a depression, you didn't tell people what you are passing through, you didn't let them know what you are passing through, you keep it to yourself, it can harm you, it can cause you to die early, untimely death. So I encourage people, when you have a depression, Let people around you, your neighbor, know everything that is happening to you. They can be of help by telling you what to do to get away from that depression. So I'm encouraging people to do the right thing. When you are depressed, find where people are gathering. Just feel free, express yourself, ease yourself. Like for example, we are doing this exercise here. Exercise can help you to do away with depression. When you are exercising, like this music is playing, you are feeling exercising, doing this, and everything about depression will go away from your body. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. So say no to depression.
Say no to depression.
Wow, it has been a very wonderful day today here at this very playing ground. Prestige Life campaign against depression. I just want to use this opportunity to tell you that we are in for it. We need to treat this matter because it has been eating everything up, man, around us. But right about now, I want to tell you where you can get this whole information that we are gathering here. Prestige Life 2 on the YouTube channel. You can check it out there and follow it up. Or you go to the Instagram handle prestige1_35, or you check us out on TPH. That's Talent and Productivity Hub. Everything that you need to know about this particular case, just follow us on those channels and you'll be able to get them. I want to tell you, this case, we must treat it. Nothing is worth dying for. We are here acting on earth. You can't die for whatever. Is it debt you're owing? Whatever it is that it seems is bothering you too much, please try and find a way out. The only way to find a way out now is just to get the tips. And as we are talking with the medical personnel, we are talking randomly with people, just make your mind up to follow this thing up. In fact, this depression thing, we've just realized that it doesn't even have any specification. It can happen to the old, it can happen to the young, it can happen to the rich, to the poor. It's not about you having money or not having money. Just try and follow us. One way or the other, we'll find the way out of it. Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. I have to tell you, say no to depression. It's your boy Prestige. Bye.
Say no to depression.
Say no to depression.
I say no to depression.
Say no to depression.
Say no to depression.
From the production team.
Say no to depression.